Hello, we are talking about hypothesis testing, and previously we've seen z-test and t-test. And t-test, we have gone through the one sample t-test. Now let's get into the two sample t-test. So let me just. So basically, two sample t-test is you're comparing means of two independent samples. So here we are going to compare test scores of students from two different class. So we have class A and class B, or class 1 and class 2, and we are going to compare their scores with respect to two sample t-test. So let's import t-test independent. Let's import, say we brought it here, and we are going to take the sample data class 1 to be let's take it nb dot. And so let's take the minimum score to be around 70 and the maximum to be 90, and we are going to consider 20 samples. For class 2, let's keep it 50 and 75. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, there's the two samples that we are going to check or initiate. Yeah, so basically these are our two samples, and now we are going to compare it with the help of the t-test. And here we again have to pass the two sample, and everything else would be just calculated. So yeah, you can see the t-test is around 11.28, and the p-value is 1.07, so to the power of minus 13 e to the power of minus 13. And we also have degree of freedom 38, which means we have 20 samples on each, and every time it's going to be, every sample size is going to be reduced by 1. So 20 minus 1, and again 20 minus 1, which is 19 plus 19, and it's going to give us 38. So we know that there is a significant difference since it's quite small. Let's say we try to change the value here, again similar to, let's say even we can make it probably 100, I believe. And let's see. Okay, yeah, still there is a significant difference. You can see the p-value is 0.016, and we have this t statistic to be minus 2.511. So in this case, we know our degree of freedom is 38, and our t static is minus 2.51 or 2.51. And go here to the t table, and you find that the closest is 40. So when we go here, 2 point here, so it's between here, these two values, 2.423 and 2.704. 2.51 is going to come in between, and when we look, it's between 0.02 to 0.01. That's our p-value, right? But precisely when calculated, we are getting 0.1639. So that's our p-value. Again, similarly, since our p-value is less than the alpha value, we are going to reject the null hypothesis. So we are going to say that between these two samples, there is a significant statistical difference comparing the mean, and consider the p-value to be lesser than the alpha value, which was said to be 0.05. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this particular video, and hope you understood what is going on. And stay tuned and thank you.